Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by laying out the frame pieces and checking hardware counts. This prevents pauses mid-assembly. Once done, orient the headboard and footboard on edge so alignment is easy, and use the included hex key to finger tighten the first bolts. Don't fully torque them yet. Make sure to keep washers under bolt heads for even pressure. Working now saves rework later, so move deliberately and confirm each labeled part matches the instruction diagram before continuing. You'll now join the side rails to the head and footboards, align the connector holes, insert bolts with washers, and hand tighten so pieces can still shift slightly. Next, guide the center support beam into position. This stabilizes the frame and reduces squeak, so seat it fully before tightening. Once the center is set, place the slats one by one, ensuring even spacing and that each slat clicks or rests into its bracket. When everything lines up, go back and tighten bolts in a cross pattern to keep the frame square. You finish by fully tightening every bolt, checking that the frame sits level and the center support is bearing weight. This prevents uneven wear. Once tightened, place the mattress and press at the corners and middle. Listen for squeaks and watch for movement. If you find wobble, don't panic. Loosen adjacent bolts slightly, realign joints, ensure washers are present, then red-itin in a crisscross pattern. This corrective step restores rigidity and keeps the frame square and secure for long-term use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.